Hello class, in this video I'll be doing an application of trigonometric functions involving acute angles. Let's begin. An electrician is at the top of a 30-foot electric pole. He notices that the angle of depression from the top of the pole to where he wants to place the anchor for the wire is 80 degrees. How long is the wire? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and draw the picture. Here is the electric pole. There's the wire, and here's the ground. So I'm going to call this the ground. This is the wire. Okay, so the electrician noticed that the angle of depression from the top of the pole to where he wants to place the anchor for the wire is 80 degrees. So over here at the top, I'm going to tell you what an angle of depression is. If this is your line of sight, if you look down, the angle that is created is called the angle of depression. So if the person is standing at the top of the electric pole, this is going to be his line of sight. Which means the 80-degree angle happens to be there. And since that makes a 90-degree angle, the angle inside the triangle is 10 degrees. And now we can go ahead and use one of our trigonometric functions to figure out the length of the wire. So it looks like the pole is 30 feet, and we want to figure out what is the length of the wire. I'm going to call that Z. So we're given that the angle of the triangle at the top left is 10 degrees. We're given an adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So we can use cosine. So the cosine of 10 degrees is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Now we're going to do some cross multiplying. So I'm going to put the cosine of 10, I'm going to write it as divided by 1. And so I know that Z times the cosine of 10 has to equal 30. And dividing both sides by cosine of 10, you get Z is equal to 30 divided by the cosine of 10. We want a decimal approximation, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Decimus. And I'm going to type in 30 divided by the cosine of 10 degrees. And I want to make sure that we are in degree mode. And yes, we are. So that's 30.463. 30.463. So the length of the wire is approximately 30.463. It's going to be feet. Feet. And I'm just going to double check that. 30.463. And 30.46, and then it's going to round to 3. Yep, we're correct.